Well, good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. Wallops Island weather briefing. We have cloudy conditions out there this morning. It's going to turn into damp and rainy conditions this afternoon, as we'll have a area low pressure moving along a stationary boundary, moving through the region. That's going to provide us with a likely chance of rainfall for this afternoon and evening, and even some moderate to heavy rainfall at times. Look at the conditions across the Wallops region and the Mid-Atlantic region the last 24 hours. Seeing temperatures unseasonably warm for this time of year in the low 80s and upper 70s across the region, especially being seen in central Virginia through the Tidewater. Other locations seeing temperatures in the lower 70s. Here at Wallops we were 73, and Norfolk was the warm spot at 80 degrees. Overnight last night we did see that cold front moving through the region, dropping our temperatures down in the 40s in some locations, other locations in the mid 50s. Here at Baltimore, we had 42 degrees. That was the cool spot. Wallops, we had 49 degrees, and Salisbury at 46 degrees. Did see a little bit of precipitation across the region yesterday with that cold front moving through. Pax River saw 1600s. Here at Wallops, we saw 1300s, and Langley, Baltimore, and Washington just saw traces. Ocean City and Salisbury just saw 200ths of an inch. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures anywhere from the mid 40s to the lower 50s in general under cloudy skies. And as of 9 a.m., we had 50 degrees under cloudy skies here at Wallops. Looking at our 12Z sounding from this morning, our freezing level is at 11,200 feet. Our winds are northeasterly, and the low level is at 20 knots, so fairly breezy at 1,000 foot. And we move up in the atmosphere, our winds become westerly, the west-northwesterly, and increasing with height, seeing a peak wind at 55 knots this morning at 25,000 feet. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we do have this area low pressure of a Tennessee Valley. It's going to move along this frontal boundary over the Carolinas. It's going to provide us with rain for this afternoon and this evening. We'll have an area high pressure starting to build in that's sprawling across the northern states for our Wednesday afternoon and into our Thursday, possibly providing us with a little bit less damp conditions, more just cloudy conditions for our Wednesday afternoon evening. Looking at our observation page this morning, we do have temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s, as I mentioned. Winds out of the north to northeast this morning. They will turn more northeasterly for a time period late this morning, and then back northeasterly for this afternoon, and becoming quite breezy at times. We can see the rainfall and the radar returns off the west. It's going to continue to move towards our region and overspread the Delmarva Peninsula for this afternoon. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, is our Tuesday PM planner. We'll have rainfall across the region, some moderate to heavy at times. This is our Tuesday night planner, looking for that rainfall to move off the coastline, where we'll see decent chance of some drizzle remaining in the region with low cloudiness over the Wallops region. And for our Wednesday AM planner, much the same. We'll have some lingering drizzle during the morning, and then we'll have some mostly cloudy skies for Wednesday afternoon. You can see here with that area high pressure starting to nose into the region from the north and from the west. Looking to our Thursday PM planner, we'll have another upper level disturbance moving along that frontal boundary that's shown here to wash out across the Carolinas that could possibly provide us with a few sprinkles for Thursday afternoon, but right now the chances are less than 20% of that occurring for our Thursday afternoon, and most likely we'll just see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies for our Thursday. You can see here it's bringing a cold front through to the north of our region for Thursday PM. I do expect that cold front to be just delayed a bit than what is showing this prog chart, and we'll have that cold front moving through on our Friday morning, and that's going to be Arctic cold front. Now provide